Some black male hairstyles don't need to be groomed or touched too often. For instance, the retro high top with a full, robust beard is quite a statement maker, but is far from high maintenance. The best part about rocking curls is, well, rocking curls. Don't hide your natural ringlets. Let them grow out and apply some styling gel to keep them looking great throughout the day. Don't settle for a curl-free life. With a low fade and lineup, you'll have a neat style with natural texture. Some of the cutest high-top fades with long hair on top come out for natural hair type 4C. Combine with a high fade that works in pair with a line-up. This look is great for those who like to have a little fun with their hair and get funky once in a while. The most stylish black men's hairstyles are classic styles with small individual touches like a temple and nape fade, line-up, shave design, etc. Train your hair into 360 waves if you additionally want a textured yet smooth look. Natural afros have been in since 1960. Embraced and popularized by music and movie legends, the afro has deservedly become one of most loved black classic style. Upgrade your rounded afro with the popular today burst fade and lineup for a modern look. Mohawks are all well and good, but a textured, curled mohawk is the stuff of legends. This style is incredibly trendy and unexpected, and it gives your look an interesting edge. You'd be surprised how easy it is to style too. Black hairstyles for men take on sleek and chic forms when lines and 360 waves are involved. A faded cut with a thick, shaved part running from a forehead corner is incredibly cool and funky, without being too outlandish. In other words, it's office-friendly. You've probably seen a lot of fades with designs carved around the sides or back of the head. Well, why don't you break the mold and try throwing your creativity to the front of the house, hair. Etch a line at the top front of the hair to give it a cool spin. Get a little crazy with your hair and let it grow out nice and long, like, really long. You'd be surprised what wild, free locks can do for your look and self-esteem. Just make sure you keep them frizz-free with moisturizing products, curl-defining serums and/or mousse. Show the world how smooth and sleek African-American men hairstyles can be. Grow the hair out a bit and treat yourself to a flawless lineup with a temple fade. This will give you some texture while keeping the hair close, manageable and oh so nice.